Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about the stimulus check and divorced or divorcing couples. Before I get to that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I'll be happy to sit down with you to discuss your situation. So moving on to today's topic, and the question that I received was, what happens to the stimulus check if I am divorced or going through a divorce? The first thing I want you to know is that the stimulus check is based on your tax returns. So if you are already divorced, normally divorced couples, as part of their settlement agreement, you will decide and agree to file jointly or separately, whichever way you decide. You should have already agreed on dividing any refunds to be received as part of your marital assets to be equally distributed. So if your agreement prior to your divorce was that any refunds received after the divorce was finalized would be shared equitably, then it would be fair to suggest and to state that each party would be entitled to 50% of any stimulus check received, regardless of whose bank account it is deposited into. If this is your situation and your spouse refuses to give you half of the stimulus check that is due you, then you have a choice to go before the judge and fight for that. But I would caution you to be sure to decide whether it is worth spending the money to fight for that, if that's going to cost you more money than what the stimulus check is. So it's something for you to consider. If you are not yet divorced but are going through a divorce, you should make sure that the stimulus payment check is addressed as part of your agreement. So another thing to consider is if the 2019 tax returns have not yet been filed and you both sit together and decide that the 2019 check taxes would give you a higher pay-in check, then you might want to go ahead and quickly file that so that both of you can get a higher stimulus check. And finally, the $500 additional for the children. This money will be allocated according to the marital settlement agreement, which dictates which parent claims what child or children for what year. So whichever parent claimed the child for the year of the taxes that you are going to be using, that parent will likely be the one that gets the $500 exemption. I hope that this has cleared up this question that was asked. If you have further questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. Also, if you found value in this video, please like it, and if you know someone who can use it, please share it. And as always, I would like to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.